In this video, I'll explain how nonprofits can use Mailchimp and take advantage of its nonprofit discount. Mailchimp can be useful for nonprofits that want to build an email list, send newsletters, share updates, promote fundraising campaigns, and stay connected with supporters. The platform offers tools for managing contacts, creating email campaigns, automating communications, and tracking campaign performance so nonprofits can manage their email marketing from one place. The biggest advantage is that eligible nonprofits and charitable organizations may qualify for special nonprofit pricing, which can provide a significant discount compared with standard pricing. However, the discount isn't automatically applied to every account. Your organization needs to meet Mailchimp's eligibility requirements and may need to complete a verification process. So, if you're a nonprofit, don't immediately pay the standard price. Check Mailchimp's nonprofit eligibility and discount options first. You could save a considerable amount on your subscription. If you want detailed step-by-step Mailchimp tutorials, be sure to check out our channel. And that's how nonprofits can use Mailchimp and potentially get a nonprofit discount